The new M10 Drone by MDNG is set to redefine the aerial photography experience for adults and enthusiasts, offering a powerful combination of an 8K HD camera, a robust brushless motor, and a revolutionary photoable screen remote control. This advanced UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, is engineered to deliver stunning visuals and an incredibly intuitive flight experience, making professional-grade aerial content creation more accessible than ever before. Key features and performance highlights: unprecedented 8K HD camera with large 1.28-inch sensor. At the core of the M10's appeal is its cutting-edge 8K, a 7680 by 4320 HD camera, featuring a large 1.28-inch sensor. This impressive sensor size, typically found in higher-end cameras, allows for the capture of incredibly detailed photos and vibrant, cinematic video in MP4 format. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action, the M10 delivers unparalleled clarity and richness in every frame, truly elevating your aerial photography. Powerful brushless motor for superior flight dynamics, the M10 is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor. This advanced engine type is a significant upgrade, providing superior efficiency, increased power output, quieter operation, and a much longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. This translates directly into more stable and responsive flights, better resistance to wind, max wind speed resistance, less than 10 km per hour, and enhanced durability, ensuring the M10 is a reliable and long-lasting aerial companion. Revolutionary photoable screen remote control. Experience true immersion and precise control with the M10's innovative remote control, featuring an integrated display. This photoable screen provides a real-time first-person view, FPV, directly on the controller, eliminating the need for a separate smartphone. This integrated display ensures a seamless and clear visual feed, enhancing your piloting accuracy and overall flight enjoyment. The remote control offers comprehensive drone control methods, including traditional stick control and potentially touch-based interactions on the screen. Full omnidirectional obstacle detection system. Fly with supreme confidence thanks to the M10's advanced full omnidirectional detection system. This comprehensive safety feature actively senses obstacles from forward, backward, sideward, upward, and downward directions. The drone can intelligently detect and react to potential collisions, automatically maneuvering to avoid them. This significantly reduces the risk of crashes and provides an exceptionally safe flying experience, even for pilots exploring new or challenging environments. Extended range and action time. The M10 boasts an impressive 1,000-meter control distance, allowing you to explore vast areas and capture distant subjects with ease. With a maximum flight time of 15 minutes, you'll have ample opportunity to compose your shots and enjoy extended aerial sessions on a single charge. The 3.7V 700 mAh drone battery is also removable or replaceable, allowing for quick battery swaps to extend your flight time even further. Ultra-portable and durable design, with folded dimensions of 20 by 16.5 by 4.5 centimeters and a lightweight design of just 126 grams, the M10 is incredibly portable. Its compact size allows it to be easily carried in a backpack or even a large pocket, making it the perfect companion for travel and spontaneous aerial photography. Despite its light weight, the robust construction ensures durability and resilience against minor impacts. Versatile connectivity and multi-language APP support. The M10 offers flexible connectivity options, including APP controller, remote control, and Wi-Fi. The dedicated application supports an extensive range of languages, including Japanese, French, German, Italian, Spanish, Korean, Dutch, Portuguese, Latin American Spanish, Brazilian Portuguese, English, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Swedish, Polish, Greek, Turkish, Ukrainian, and Russian, ensuring a truly global and user-friendly experience. In summary, the new M10 Drone by MDNG is a standout product for adults seeking a professional yet accessible aerial photography tool. Its combination of an 8K HD camera with a large sensor, powerful brushless motor, and revolutionary omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system sets a new standard for safety and image quality in its class. Coupled with the immersive photoable screen remote control and impressive portability, the M10 offers an unparalleled flying and content creation experience, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned drone pilots and those looking to dive into high-definition aerial videography. Like and subscribe if you love drones and tech reviews. Comment: what feature matters most to you, 8K camera, brushless motors, or obstacle avoidance?